In the previous videos we've learned how to install and configure the basic setup for WordPress. Now in this video is where it gets interesting. We're going to actually start to create brand new posts. So right now if I'm in the WordPress dashboard, if I click on this pen icon and click on Add New, I can create a new post. So as you can see here, a post is made up of a title and a body. So what I need to do is enter a title here. Let's just say I'm going to name it Funny T-shirts. And I'll just enter a bunch of text here. And with the text you can of course bold it, you can italicize, you can create an unordered list, you can create an ordered list, you can align it, create links to URLs and other websites, and you can also have a spell checker here. So you can actually toggle to full screen mode. If you click on this, basically it removes everything around it and all you see is the editor itself. You can show and hide the buttons, you can underline, you can align full, you can change the color of the text, you can paste text from another editor, you can paste text from Word, and you can do a lot more than that. Now up at the top here, when you publish, you can publish in three different ways. You can publish it publicly, you can stick this post on a front page, you can password protect it, you can make it private, and if you do make it private then it will require people to become subscribers and register for the content and so forth if you want to make it exclusive, say you're running a membership site. We're going to make it public, and you can also publish it immediately or you can publish it in the future by setting a date. So let's say for example you have 10 different posts and you want to post one every day. You can actually do that with this option here. And the format is just simply different formats. For example, the standard format is going to show, if I click on publish here, I can show you, and if I click on view posts, right now this is the standard format. So you have the headline and the text. So let's say I change this to gallery. If it's a gallery I can include a bunch of images and it'll show a gallery. If it's status, then I'll show it kind of like a Twitter status in quotes and images. Images will basically show you the first image that it sees. It'll grab it and it'll show just that image. And as WordPress updates their system, they're always going to add different formats. And of course if you go to Google and just search for WordPress post format, you can get some updated information about these formats. And as they begin to add more and more about these. Now categories here, you can put this post in a specific category. You can add a new category, let's say Funny T-shirts news. You can add a category and add the specific post to that category. You can create subcategories of these categories, and comments would be, you can add the comments here. Revisions are basically, let's say you published it once and you go ahead and you publish it again, you make some changes, you're going to see the revisions here. So you can actually revert to a previous revision, and if you revert, you can also revert back or go back to a newer version. Tags are basically this. Let's say, for example, you have tags like funny, sad, t-shirts, and in this case we'd just say funny t-shirts. If I had two other posts with the tags funny, then if somebody clicks on the tag funny, they're going to see this post and the other two, which they're going to see three posts that are having tags with funny. And the featured image is basically this. If you go to live site and you don't see it now, we can actually specify a header image. And if we set the featured image for a specific post, anytime you view that specific post or specific page, then you will see the specific set featured image. And that's pretty much how to create a post.